check kwelanga 2.0 angikho sure. And then bemafika izolo umfazi hayibo engathi nguye ecela ukuthi umfazi ephepha engathi nguye mafika izolo music video wakhe mafika izolo music video wakhe kuyonyiwa la buyamanzi inte ayi wena wasamanzi inte music video yakhona amanzi inte ayi wena amanzi inte ayibo amanzi inte kuzonyiwa la bekhona ukwenza zadot umfazi wephepha music video hayi bafethu hayi bafethu you yabona icategory nzima le beyona ndaphiwe ingiyabonga music video like yazi impekeni la oqala like lama artist la wonke ane impact ene fan base ehlanyayo wonke lama artist endiwabizayo ngoku I wonder ubani ozobuya naye kanti kuma comment section lapha yana angakaqedi ngisaqhubeka and then ube yi Perima Room music video hayi Perima Room ayinthusi Perima Room like ayinthusi bese bayi Perima Room and then be Chokshlam Chokshlam music video by Karishma yeba fethu bese bayi Maitululu bafethu music video nayo bayifakile lapha beyiqola naye bayifakile music video yakhona lapha Papicho music video yakhona bayifakile lapha. So bafethu, this one is gonna be hectic one. Makhathi Mahu nomthandini mafika izolo uKarishma Nkosazana naleti aphiwe Papi Cooper ubani uzowina guys la cause yabona it's the toughest one andifuna uqamba manga it's the toughest one this one is the toughest one guys. Ni vote bafethi vote icosta 150 each. So ke kusho ukuthi ke uzovotela uyithanda music video. I want uzovotela iphi. If uthanda mina ngizovotela nalidaphiwe ngiyabonga. Akuseva guys is out and ncane.